On July 13th and 14th, 2024, participants gathered for an immersive training program focused on Bunga Silat and the Bleep Test. This event aimed to blend martial arts with fitness evaluation. Bunga Silat, a traditional martial art, emphasizes foundational movements, techniques, and philosophy. The training introduced participants to its principles, enhancing their coordination, agility, and cultural appreciation through hands-on practice and guided demonstrations. The Bleep Test, a fitness assessment tool, was used to gauge participants' endurance and agility. This test progressively challenges individuals, making it an effective measure of physical fitness and improvement over time. The program employed a mix of theoretical and practical methods, including reflective discussions and imagery techniques. These methods aim to develop physical fitness, mental clarity, and psychological resilience among participants. Participants showed significant improvements in endurance, agility, and mental clarity. They praised the trainer's expertise and supportive teaching methods, noting increased confidence, discipline, and focus throughout the sessions. Overall, the training program was highly successful, receiving positive feedback for its content, venue, and equipment. Participants left with a deeper appreciation for Silat and improved fitness levels,